Hi, this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. Right on my Binance, this is my Binance app on my homepage. This is my homepage. I want to show us 2 to 3 crypto tokens that are going to be rallying up at the beginning of next week, close of this week, and at the beginning of next week. This crypto will be rallying up. We have seen success in this crypto, so I'll be showing us BTC. This is BTC. You can see from the home page it is currently $22,914. Okay, in the past 2 to 3 weeks, it was formerly 16,000 plus. It was formerly 16,000 plus. And if you have missed the level of buying, if you have missed buying at that level, I can tell you this is the level you need to buy now. You need to buy now because Bitcoin is really moving up and moving up and moving up, and the rally is high. And I'm even expecting a rally between now and close of next week. Between now and close of next week, I would like to add this. I would like to add this to those who want to invest in Bitcoin now that it's still in 22, 23, because I feel from my technical analysis it is going to 30, 31. Okay, now, and it will also reverse at that level, and when it's reversing, you also take note of I would like you to also take note of altcoin. There are some altcoin generally when Bitcoin is pumping up, altcoin will be warming up. They'll be warming up at a particular level, and so when Bitcoin gets to a peak and begin to reverse, altcoin begin to pump. This is just a secret. If you need to, you need to watch the market yourself to be able to be certain of this that I've just said. So, like I said, BTC is around 22 now, which is the best time to buy if you have missed when it was at 16, because most people are saying to go down to 10. Now it was at 16, people did not buy. So if you have missed, you should endeavor to make a little investment here. And I would like to say about Bitcoin. If you are going to be buying Bitcoin, put it at the back of your mind that you hold for long. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is even better. It's better to hold because over time, even though it goes down, over time it will still come up because it has a high level of awareness and people are investing in it. So this is all about Bitcoin. Another coin I'll tell you about. Okay, let me just show you the technical analysis of BTC. Let's go there. This is BTC bust. Okay, I want to go to BTC USDT. Okay, this is BTC USDT. Okay, presently now I'd like to show you the key things you need to check. This is a 3-month analysis, but let's move it to 1 week. You can see it is at 1 week. So now for the past 3 weeks, you can see where it started. It started at 16. You can see it here, this green candle here. You can see, let me enlarge it. You can see it started at here and it moved up largely here. It came up to this place, so it has been consistent in going up using 1 week analysis in using the candle bar. So you can now see that Bitcoin is beginning a new rally here, and if you change it to 1 day, you can see how it has been improving. As a matter of fact, yesterday it went up to highest, the 24 hours highest, it went up to 23,816. 23,000. I was very happy. It went to 23,816. I will advise not to short. You can take trade. You can also short on a spot trade for Bitcoin, BTC, but it will pay you if you invest and hold. Now, its lowest was around 22,335, and you can see the market volume of USDT 8.0 billion, and the volume of BTC is 350,386. This particular analysis gives us a particular insight into the rally that is coming up, and also I've told us before in my past video, you can also come here to check trade. So when you click on trade, you see how people are buying and how people are selling. The more buys means Bitcoin is going to go up. You understand? The more sales means Bitcoin is going to come down. You understand? I also need to check it with this trading data. You can also see that in a 1 day, Bitcoin, the buying and the selling is what? Same. If you go to 4 hours, you can see selling is more than buying. And remember, when buying is more, Bitcoin increase. When selling is more, Bitcoin what? Reduce. So in the last 15 minutes, selling is more. For those people, because of this is because of those people that are shorting it, they are doing spot trade. You understand? The takers, we call them the takers. But I will advise you hold Bitcoin for a long time. Now let's go to the second coin that we'll be talking about. Endeavor to invest in this at this time, so that when it's not that when it gets to 28, 29, it will be too late by then. Okay, let's come down to home and let's check another coin. Wonderful. This is the next coin, Aptos. Aptos is an altcoin. Let me show you the symbol. So you can see it as 18 now, but before I continue, let me show. So this is the logo of Aptos. This is Aptos altcoins, Aptos community. So their coin is called APT. Let's go back. Now this is it here. This is APT. So now you can see from this view, you can see that presently it is at 18. It has increased over the week, for the past 3 weeks. It has increased over 370%. I've been watching this coin. It was formerly, when Bitcoin picked up the rally, it was formerly at 10.9, even while Solana was at around I think 16, 17, it was around 10.9. And this is the coin they call the Solana killer. And I can tell you this coin is moving to around, it's going to move up and rally to around let's say it is going to move up to around 27. It's going to beat Solana. I can tell you that it's going to beat Solana. That's this Solana. It's also a good coin, but I can tell you that APT is going to move up to beyond Solana. It's going to move up beyond Solana. Like I said, I've watched this coin for the past 3 weeks when it was around 10.9. And if you are invested, in my group, there's a link in WhatsApp group to my WhatsApp group. For those who have invested in my WhatsApp group, I told them not to spot trade. You should hold for long a bit. And although it's an altcoin, and there's a principle here that this particular coin has defined, that if BTC is rallying up, if BTC is increasing, most altcoin will be showing red. Let's go to users. So most of these coins are altcoin here. You see, as BTC is gaining, most altcoin will be showing what? Red. But now see this particular coin, APT, is an altcoin, but it is defying that principle. So I would like you to know that this is a good coin to invest in now. That is even at 18. I feel it is even too late, but it's not too late. It's not too late. You can still invest in this coin and watch the market. I need to let you know also that I'm just a financial this is just a financial educational advice, not a financial advice. And you need to do your own research before entering into this. I'm just trying to show you how to know what to do and the best time to invest. Kindly subscribe to our channel, and there's a link into my WhatsApp group or my Telegram group, so that if you have any question and if you want to engage in any tutorial, I'm available for you. So kindly hit the bell button for notifications of videos like this, and also to be able to know when I post new videos. Thank you. If this video is of any help to you or gives you any insight into any of these things, kindly subscribe. Appreciate that. God bless you.